Turkey has launched a third wave of raids against Islamic State jihadists in Syria and a new campaign to bombard camps of Kurdish militants in northern Iraq. Prime Minister Ahmet Davutoglu said, "We have given instructions for a third series of strikes in Syria and Iraq. Air and ground operations are underway," Mr. Davutoglu told reporters in the capital, Ankara. "No one should doubt our determination," he added. "We will not allow Turkey to be turned into a lawless country." The two-pronged operation against Islamic State and Kurdistan Workers Party (PKK) militants, two groups who are themselves bitterly opposed, came after a week of deadly violence in Turkey that the authorities blamed on the organizations. It comes as violent pro-Kurdish demonstrations and a major police operation detaining suspected militants of all persuasions is gripping many areas of the country. Mr. Davutoglu said a total 590 suspected members of PKK and other militant groups had been arrested in raids across Turkey that began on Friday morning and continued Saturday. He said they were being held in custody on the grounds of links to terror groups and presenting a threat to the state.